Now we're tracking the cold, we're tracking the snow, so it's been an active period here. And this Thursday snow, I do think, is going to be a mess in terms of travel as we head into Thursday afternoon. So we still have you on a storm watch weather alert here. Brutally cold start again this morning and a storm on the way. 11 below is the wind chill in Boston right now. 11 below, not quite as bad as we were 24 hours ago. Wind is out of the west at 12 miles per hour right now. The temperature's in the single digits. The wind chill is coldest north and west of town. Keene right now, what, 31 below zero, what it feels like in Keene, with just a bit of a breeze. And that's because the temperature is so cold. It's 18 below in Keene right now, 15 below in Concord, New Hampshire. This is the temperature, not with the wind chill factored in. 5 in Boston, where we were right around 0 at this time yesterday. Clear skies except for a few clouds here on the outer Cape. Some ocean effect. Had some few flurries here in Provincetown. We're not talking about anything more than a dusting, though, from the ocean effect today. Not a ton going on across the northeast. A little bit of lake effect back to the west. Sunshine today, a few clouds mixed in. Temperatures upper teens to around 20 degrees. So still very cold, not a record cold high for the date. And the wind chill values will climb into the single digits gradually through the day today. Mainly clear tonight. 12 in Boston for an overnight low. 5 to 10 in the suburbs tomorrow. It's going to feel different. Upper 20s to low 30s. We haven't been this warm in about a week. 29 in Boston, and the wind will be substantially lighter too, so it won't feel nearly as frigid as we've been over the last week. Now, clouds will increase tomorrow, and that's out ahead of the storm to our south, which will overspread moisture in areas of snow pre-dawn on Thursday. There's still some uncertainty as to the exact track of this storm. It looks like we may see a brief mix for the far south shore Cape and Islands briefly Thursday midday. And then as the storm goes by, it wraps in colder air. We will change back to snow, even all the way back down to the Cape by Thursday late afternoon and evening. So I think Thursday afternoon and the evening commute especially will be the worst and kind of the height of the storm, with snowfall rates as high as 2 inches per hour in some spots in eastern Massachusetts. Then it all tapers off as we head into Thursday night with just some leftover snow showers or flurries on Friday morning. So an early outlook here in terms of accumulation, and expect some tweaks to this map over the next 24 to 48 hours. It does look like in eastern and even central Massachusetts, we're talking about a widespread 4 to 8 inch snowfall event, potentially back down to the south shore as we get that wraparound snow that changes back over. It'll be less for the outer Cape with some of those mixing concerns and through the far interior. Again, expect some tweaks to that map, but for this reason, National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch for all of eastern Massachusetts here, including Boston. Wouldn't be surprised if this gets expanded westward later on today, and then obviously gets upgraded to a warning the closer we get to the storm. So this is not a major storm, but it will have a moderate impact here with plowable snow, hazardous travel through the day on Thursday. Damaging wind gusts are lower probability, but at the coastline we may see some, and with the strong onshore wind, coastal flooding will be a concern too on Thursday at the time of high tide around midday. Behind it, well, another blast of cold air, only in the single digits and teens for Friday through Sunday.